Welcome to today's quick and easy guide. If you've been exploring the latest WhatsApp update on your PC, you might have noticed a handy new feature that allows you to mark channels as unread. This is a great way to remind yourself to come back to important updates later, especially if you follow multiple channels at once. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to do it right here. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version so the mark as unread option appears correctly. Once the app is open, take a look at the left side menu. You'll notice several icons there. One of them looks like a broadcasting symbol. That's the channels icon. Click on it to open your list of channels. Now, scroll through the list to find the channel you want to mark as unread. Maybe it's one with an update you haven't had the time to check or something you want to revisit later. Once you found it, simply right-click on that channel. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From there, click on Mark as Unread. That's it. You'll instantly see a small green dot appear next to the channel's name, signaling that it's now marked as unread. This will help you keep track of channels you want to revisit, especially useful if you follow brands, news pages, or creators that post frequent updates. The feature works very similarly to marking messages unread in chats. It doesn't undo what you've seen, but it serves as a visual reminder that you still need to catch up on something. It's a smart and simple addition that makes channel management much easier on PC. So the next time you come across an update you don't have time for, just mark that channel as unread. It takes only a second and helps you stay organized within WhatsApp. Done. Now, you know exactly how to use this helpful feature from the new update.